Hey YouTube, I just want to say thank you for fixing the problem that my channel is experiencing. And so just basically guys, ignore the video that I just made yesterday. It's all been resolved. I've posted my profile picture and added new friends. And one more thing why I'm making this vlog again, it's basically I just want to put out a little bit something that I've watched for a couple of days. It's about videos about the swine flu that's going around, and somehow people are making funny videos or jokes about it. And I feel that it's not that I'm basically killing the joy out of it, because it's not something that we can make fun of it. Like, people are dying because of this flu that's going around. It's a little bit inconsiderate of us to feel, you know, uh, who has the flu, and like the family that basically lost their family members because of it. I would say that put yourself in their shoes and see how it feels like, and then like you go onto YouTube and then you just want to find out some information about it, and all you see is are like videos that people are making fun of it. It's not funny. Like, it's a virus that everybody can get, and instead of us like posting information about it and be helpful, instead of like we are making fun of people that who are getting it, or we are making fun like like lighthearted about it. But it's serious business, guys. Come on, show some compassion. We are part of this world, and we basically need to unite to basically combat this problem. I don't want to get the flu either. It's just that I think that it's just a little callous. Show some compassion. I mean, we have time for funny business, funny videos, but this is a serious business right now. Please do not make fun of it. That's all I can say. I know, I'm sorry that this is a little bit serious, but I have to. Thanks, guys.